Hi guys, it's a bright and sunny day here at the new site for the construction of our new learning and development Semanhyia farms. So I want to show you what we've been up to on the construction of our farm. Follow me. Let's see what's going on here. By the way, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because we have a lot coming your way. And if you're already a subscriber, you know what to do. Hit the notification button so that you'll be the first to be notified of every upload we bring your way. Follow me. Let's go around. So, as part of the new Semanhyia Learning and Development Farm we are building, we are going to have a sales yard, and this is the proposed area for our sales yard. I would only want to tease you with that because I won't give you details about that. But you know, one of our goals is, as part of our aim of revolutionizing the livestock industry in Africa as a whole, we want to also be recognized as the center for best breeding stock whenever you need. So we're going to have a sales yard here, and let's see what the other areas are going to be used for as well. These pillars you see over here, heavy concrete pillars, this area, all this is in readiness or in preparation for the construction of our staff house. I wish we could rebuild all of this in a day, you know, but like they say, Rome wasn't built in a day. And so there is active work going on, steadily moving, and we believe that very soon, I won't give you a timeline, but the rate at which activities and the construction is ongoing, I want to believe that very soon, we would bring you a transformed area of where we are at the moment. So these pillars are in readiness for the construction of our staff house. And let me take you to where we are building the main goat pen as well. But I'll start from here. I mentioned goat pen, and in our other videos, I'm sure you've seen the kind of wood we've been using and all of that. But this particular structure I'm sitting on is meant to house the pregnant ones and the lactating ones. We give them special treatment because, you know, their state is very vulnerable, and you want to do everything possible to keep them very comfortable and safe. And so we built this block pen actually to house our pregnant animals and the lactating ones with their babies as well. It helps with the warmth in the nights because they are not so hardy as compared to the regular ones when they are in that state. And then this behind me is the goat pen under construction over here. Follow me, let me show you the staircase we are even constructing for these animals as well. So this expanse here is the goat pen we are constructing for our precious animals. And we have a little space in front here where they can, you know, stretch their legs, play around a little. And when they want to retire and go catch some rest, this is exactly what they are going to do. It's a whole story building for them. But yes, this is how it is. And you see, we always prefer to raise our pens also for hygienic purposes. A lot of drop-ins, urine, leftover feed here and there, it would all be able to just fall right down there, so the animals don't have to lie in it in their pen. That is what's happening here. The story building, which is also the good pen for our precious animals. Let me take you to where we've planted the Semanhyia grass seeds. Follow me. The area just around me here is our designated land or spot to plant our pasture. Fred has always hammered on the importance of having your own sustainable source of feed for your animals as a livestock farmer. And so even before we started the construction of our structures, we already designated this area, planted our Semanhyia grass seeds. By God's grace, we've had, I think, rained twice since we planted. So they started to germinate, and very soon you would have a whole lush green space all over here for the animals. There is no need introducing your animals before thinking of what they would feed on. By the time you get a sustainable source of feed for them, some would have even starved, gotten malnourished and all of that. You don't want that. So you want to have your feed or pasture ready before your animals. And in our case, everything seems to be going on at the same time. But believe you me, we calculated the timing. And so before this is completed, we would have our grass ready. And you know us, we would bring you updates on everything that is happening at each stage. So yes, this is the pasture, or the designated pasture for them. Now, we always talk about the importance of fencing. If you see somewhere in front of me here, we have pillars, these tiny stems of trees trying to, designate where we are as our land. It's important to also have fencing as something to be considered on your farm. It prevents conflict and a whole lot of other issues. And most importantly, it's able to prevent stray animals from even entering your farm to cause harm. Because as we've planted our seeds, if we don't designate anybody at all doing random grazing, might just walk into this place and feed our precious grass seeds for their animals. But when you have fencing, it kind of puts in place boundaries so that everything is a bit contained and controlled. Now I have one last surprise for you. Because we are at a farm, anything at all is expected. Come, let me show you something. Hooah! Advantages of having a high goat pen. I can pass right under it here. So here at the farm, I want to show you something some of the workers have been up to. We are in the middle of nowhere, and you know what they say? Necessity sometimes is the mother of creation and invention. I used to wonder how they would eat when they come here and all of that, because most times we come here, I don't see food parks or anything. All I see is just water. Well, today I chanced on their secrets, and I just want to show you that. Come. Voila! When was the last time you saw this? This whole style of cooking, very natural. They really had to improvise. And you see this hardworking gentleman? Yeah, he's busily preparing something for the rest of the team. And trust you me, so far as I'm here, I am going to have a bite, because who doesn't love meat? Anyway, Wafa, wait there, praise him for the way I'm me organizing food quickly when you are here. So guys, we'll come your way next time with an update reports on what's happening here at site. Please stay tuned and see you in our next video. Love you. Mwah.